Hello fans of On Blast with MG. Today we're going to take a little bit of time and do a review on the range of the Cube Reaction Hybrid, a pedal assist 625 e-bike. So I've taken the time over the last couple of months to go through every single setting, of which there are 4 settings on this particular bike. You got Eco, you got Tour, Sport, and Turbo. Each one of them will give you a different level of pedal assist, starting with the Eco, which is the lowest amount of help that you're going to get, to the Turbo, which is the highest amount of help you're going to get. On the Turbo mode, you're basically really not doing any work. The pedal assist motor, which is the Bose Performance CX unit, which is on the Cube hybrid bikes, will do most of the work for you. So we're going to go through and give you a range as I've tested it with in every single mode, and tell you thereabouts how much mileage or kilometers, if you want to convert, you can expect from each different mode. So let's get started. But before we do, I want to give you guys a little bit of a breakdown on the bike. So this is the battery's housed inside the frame right here. It's easily accessible by a cover right at the front, which is the little center button, pops right off, and there you go, you got the battery. You can remove this and you could charge it at home, and then you could simply stick it back in here. It's got a key on this right side, so it's easily so it's lockable, so it's pretty safe and secure. I want to give you guys a quick update on the actual modes. If you go to your authorized dealer for these bikes and for Bosch performance motors and all real, central hub motors, you can get an upgrade on this particular bike to add, instead of the sport mode, you could do a e-mountain bike mode, which apparently gives you a little bit more better power distribution. And the latest update to the motor and the battery is the fact that you could actually get an upgrade that will bump up from 75 Newton meters to 85 Newton meters. So you can go ahead and do that. Personally, I find all of the modes, all of the different settings on this bike, the 4 different settings, the Eco, Tour, Sport, and Turbo, to be very, very adequate for the bike itself, which is a mountain bike. So I like them all, so I'm not going to update as of right now. Okay, so let's go through and give you guys the range estimates on each setting. So for the Eco mode, I was able to go 73 miles. So the Eco mode, which is the first mode, 73 miles, and I had 1 bar left, which probably would have gotten me an additional, I would say probably 5 miles, maybe more, on the Eco mode, totaling for about 78 miles. So that's a pretty significant, that's a pretty good distance on a Eco mode, which is it helps you. So 73 miles with 1 bar left on the Bosch 625 kilowatt hour battery, which is what's in this bike. On the Tour mode, which is the second one from the bottom, I was able to get 46 miles with 1 bar left. The Tour mode itself, it actually gives you quite a bit of assistance. You really, I'm saying it's about 50% assist on that Tour mode. So you really don't have to do any work if you put it in a low gear, and you can pretty much get anywhere. So 46 miles on the Tour mode with 1 bar left. On the Sport mode, I was able to get 33 miles, and that's basically almost 100% assist. So Sport mode, 33 miles with 1 bar left. On the final and highest setting of the bike, the Turbo mode, I was able to get 23 miles with 1 bar left. So it's pretty good. Keep in mind, on this particular bike, and I live in a fairly hilly town, most of my riding is mountain. So all of the ranges that I've tested had a combination of mountain biking on a trail and city riding in a very hilly city. So it's going to be very accurate. If you live in a more, if you live in an easier town to ride, like a flat, along, on a plain, you're going to get probably significantly more mileage out of each different setting than I did. Okay, so hope you enjoy. Please subscribe if you did, and until next time, thank you.